Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Andito na naman ako sa aming kusina. And I have here the instant bubble tea kit. Ayan. Try natin to guys. Taiwan classic ang nakalagay dito. So, made in Taiwan siya. Kasi alam naman natin na the bubble tea is really originated from Taiwan. So, we're going to open the box with my son, Budingdong. So inside we have 3 kits. So we have here the sago pearls.
Some of this.
What's this? It's the milk tea powder. Ayan. We have 3, and then we have 3 pearls. So I thought that it's only 1. So I'm glad that it's 3. So it's nice. Yes, we have also these 3 boba straws. So we're just going to make one at a time. So this time just this. Kasi maghahati lang kami ni Budingdong. 100 ml of
Hot water.
yes.
Then you need
And pour the
powder.
milk tea powder.
I'll tell you what, guys. This milk tea is made out of green melon.
Or honey to
Huh?
melon.
Yeah.
Wait. And then we're going to open the tapioca pearls.
Or
And
guess
then-
pearls.
Yeah, and then let's just mix it to the milk powder.
Yes. So it will be a proper milk tea. Next, we are gonna put it in the shaker and then fridge.
In the microwave for 45 seconds.
So guys, now we are gonna pour all of this mixture. So guys, now we are gonna pour all of the mixture in the cup. It's gonna look so tasty.
Yeah, and beautiful. It's so green.
Yeah, this is actually melon flavor like I told you. So guys, now it's time to put this black straw
Boba straw. Then
Yeah.
now we have homemade
milk tea.
instant bubble tea. Ayan na guys. Sarap. But I like milk. I think I need to add some more milk.
So now guys, we are gonna put the milk. It tastes a bit weird without much milk. But it's so yummy. This is Almarai fresh milk.
So yes guys, I added some more milk because you know we love milk. So ito na guys, naubos ko na. Masarap siya. Actually nag-share kami ng anak ko. See? Ganon din. Ganon kasarap. Kagaya lang din ng mga nabibili sa labas. Tsaka mas okay kasi at least nakasave ako ng medyo malaki kasi parang times 3 yung actually times almost 4 yung price ng milk tea kumpara sa presyo ng isang kit na binili namin. Okay guys,
Thank you for watching our video of All vs Filipino, Mom. And don't forget to hit the bell button.
hit the bell button. See you next time guys. Bye.